Hey there, Holly McKhann, Realtor. Today talking to you about preventive maintenance for your house. And I'm not talking about the air conditioner or the plumbing or anything. We're talking about title today. Because did you know sometimes when people go to sell a home, they find incorrect, fraudulent, wrong things recorded against their home. So today my expert, Josh, is going to talk to us a little bit about that.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's important to address this issue because the common public aren't aware that they can call and check with the title company to do a regular, maintenance to see on the chain of title who's being held on title, to make sure that there's no fraudulent or unauthorized activity on that property. No one's taking out any deeds of trust. There's no liens being filed without your knowledge. So I think the point is the public doesn't know that they can call their title company for free and just check and see who's on title and what the current information is to make sure it's lining up with what they feel was last recorded. So there's your did you know, and to maybe check that annually I think would be important as well.
Yeah, better to be finding out in advance and not have it be a big problem when you suddenly need to transfer title. So if you need to be connected with someone that can get you that title checking for free, it's me and Josh. Just give me a call, go to my website, and we'll definitely hook you up.